The ultimate business is real estate sales. I think that for myself, what the business has been able to do for me is like I could leave the job as a barber. I didn't have to drive Uber. I didn't have to do none of these other things. In the beginning, it was really, really hard getting evicted out of a one-bedroom apartment. Like most new agents I see, they really struggle. And a lot of people think they have what it takes to do sales and business in general, but at the end of the day, like, it's not easy. It's just like any career, any business you get into, you're gonna have to work. It's always failure, and you're always trying to grow. However, in real estate, as hard as it is, it's one of the very few businesses where you can make an incredible return on your effort. Meaning, if you go to work for these other companies, let's say you get paid 20 an hour, 40 an hour, 60 an hour, 70 an hour, and the highest paying position is set, let's say 60 to 70 an hour. Well, in real estate, you get paid 100, 200, 300, 10,000 an hour, but you can't do that in very many industries. And I think that opportunity allows for you to create some upside, because if you all of a sudden can make a lot of money because you end up good at something, then you can take that money and invest it. You can literally get to the point where you might not have to work. You might not have to do as much work because now you made money, you bought assets, they're helping you get more money, and then you can start making your money work for you. I think that if you could succeed in the business of sales and real estate sales, you could probably do a lot of businesses really, really, really well. Because business is just not easy. There's finding the client, keeping the client, making the client happy, doing a good job, marketing for more clients, figuring out what you have to do, how you have to do it. I mean, business is a lot. Where a job, you go and you clock in your hours and you get paid. You clock in your hours and you get paid. I guess you can do that too and make a lot of money, but it's just like in real estate, people get mad at these commissions because the commission checks sometimes are huge. But just remember, the people getting those commissions more than earn them, because these deals are not easy to close. Real estate, just selling a piece of real estate is not easy. That's why you need real estate agents. And I think that if you want to get into this business and you're like, oh, can I do it? I mean, maybe not. Everybody talks like they can do it. But 90% of people who got into real estate or got their real estate license don't renew it within the next 2 to 5 years. And the ones that do, some of those people don't even end up getting to a point in their real estate career where they buy their own investment properties. Some of those people don't even end up getting to the point where they can finally stop selling and retire, right? It's still a job. You're still out there working. Where if you went to a regular job, they go, hey, be here from X to X and clock in and clock out. In real estate, there is none of that. Like, you work all the time. My family has heard me answer the phone and talk to people and do things like that all the time. I'm always on. But you also get to create your schedule, meaning, like, I always go to my son's games. I'm always having a good time. I'm always doing all kinds of things. And I think that real estate sales business, if you're thinking about changing your career, it's a great career. Like, it paid out for me so well. And if you want to get into it, maybe we should talk, figure out if you have what it takes. But it is going to be hard work. Nobody that gets to the top of the mountain just falls there, right? You have to climb. So whatever business you choose, whether it being real estate or something else, you're going to have to go for it. It's just that real estate is so hard as a business that if you end up making money, if you end up becoming successful, you could probably go into any other business after that and apply that skill set to other businesses. But I love real estate sales. It's absolutely changed my life. It's improved the opportunities for myself and my family. I've been able to save money. I've been able to buy buildings. I've been able to help so many people get bigger properties, get investment properties, get more opportunities for them and their family, cash in on their investments, just all kinds of amazing opportunities. I've been able to make some of the best friends I've ever made. I've been able to learn some amazing things, and I just think it's a great business. If you're looking to get into it, we are looking for people to join our team because we are in the building phase. It's not going to be easy, but it is super fun, and it's a very rewarding business. You get to create your own schedule. You get to, like I do what I want now. But obviously I've been in this business for 16 years. So I kind of do what I want, making money, owning these buildings, having a good time, renovating houses. I'm always looking to buy more. When I started, it obviously wasn't like that. A lot of people know my story. I had a real hard time as a young adult trying to figure things out, and I think that just the hard work and the lessons learned and all that is paying off, and that's amazing. If you're looking for a change of pace, if you're looking for growth, if you're looking for opportunity, give me a call. I know I can help you out. I know I can help you out because I help myself. So let's go.